Hello, I'm Rich Dean with West Coast Collector Cars in Oregon, and today I've got a very cool 1964 Chevrolet pickup to show you. Now this truck actually started life as a 3/4 ton, but it's since been switched out to a half ton or a C10. So all the suspension has been brought in to make it a half ton, which is nice if you actually want to drive it a lot. 3/4 tons are great if you want to, put a camper on it or something like that. But if you want a nice truck for cruising around, or you can pull something with it, or haul something. But half tons just seem to be a little bit more desirable. So everything but the badge. So the badge actually still indicates that it is a C20, but it's really a C10. But the paint on it, this is a code 503, which is called light green. I don't know where they come up with these clever names, but there's a little bit of shine there. This truck has some nice patina to it, and a little bit of rust through here and there. But this is just how we like them, and the reason being is you can use this truck, you can enjoy it, drive it every day. If you want to drive it in the wintertime, you can do that. The rust isn't going to get any worse. It's just the way it is, but it's really got a really nice look to it. Panel fitment is excellent on it. Wheels and tires, these are brand new Rev wheels. They're 20s and brand new radials all around. And this truck does have new front disc brakes on it. New rear brakes too, but they're drum. Just a really super cool truck. Love this truck. All the glass is nice in it, and all of the weather stripping and so forth around the glass and whatnot is good. You'll notice it doesn't have any visors. Actually, I do have the visors, but I just have the brackets and the boards. They are not upholstered, so someone can take those and have them upholstered. Those go with the truck, of course. You got a turbo 350 automatic shifted on the floor. That's a 3-speed automatic. The original bench seat. Fawn colored interior. That was factory original. Truck's been very well taken care of. Everything works on the truck. The gauges all work. The heater works. The lights work. The signals work. The wipers work. The horn works. Windows roll up and down. Nice and easy. You can see the glass is nice. Again, fitment. Nice. All the trim and bright work with the contrasting white. Classic. Looks great. The bed wood has been replaced. It's brand new with the new bed strips and the stainless fasteners. Even the inside of the bed, it's not beat up at all. It looks excellent. All the right things have been done to this truck just to make it an excellent driving truck. This truck has dual tanks, saddle tanks here, so you've got a filler here, a filler on the other side, but it also has the original tank, which is behind the seat. So, if you fill it up, it's going to go a long ways, but in today's world, it's probably going to cost you a little bit. Little beefier tires back here for that little bit wider look, but all brand new. Nice exhaust system, dual exhaust. This is nice back here. Nice patina going on. Tailgate's nice. You got this industrial bumper and a tow hitch if you did want to actually pull something with it. Pull a little vintage trailer or a little boat or something around. It'd be kind of cool. Truck drives excellently. Let me take a minute or two to tell you a little bit about the website, westcoastcollectorcars.com, where I've got pictures of the truck, of course, but pictures of the undercarriage as well. Truck is really excellent. You know, it's a nice driving truck. Converted to half-ton means it drives nicely. The springs have been replaced. They're lowering springs. They aren't chopped. They're lower 2-inch drop spindles in the front. New shocks. So you know it's got that nice ride to it. Tracks down the road beautifully. Steers nice and easy. Doesn't have power steering, but it's easy to steer. You know, got that original steering wheel up there. So yeah, everything works great. The brakes pull the truck down nice and true. This is the perfect truck. If you want a truck you can actually use and drive, this is it right here. And of course, the classic great body style. So you got your factory gauges as well, but you also have the auxiliary gauges. And you got a tachometer here, all that works. There's the horn. I'm going to show you that under the hood when we get to it. Glove box, by the way, the glove box liner. I didn't show you that, but that's also new. I think there's a picture of it on the website. Emergency brake works. Everything works. It's actually, like I say, you know, I keep emphasizing this, but it's perfect. If you actually want a truck you can use and enjoy, take it to a car show. Just as many people are going to look at this truck as they are the $100,000 ones. These were painted, the bumper and the grill originally painted white as this is. You know, some people go ahead and put the chrome on there. That looks great too, but this is original. So we got a 350 Chevrolet in here, small block Chevy. Starts, runs, you know, nicely. Aluminum manifold, little 4-barrel there. You got brand new power brakes here. And they are front discs, rear drums. There's that horn that we just sound like a train. Heater system works. Nice big stock radiator. Yeah, it's a great truck. Really like it. And the hood alignment is excellent as well. These are big hoods. You know, a lot of times they're, you know, a little jumbly, but look at that. I mean, that hood alignment is fantastic. So what I'd like to do now is I'll hop in the truck, start it, you'll hear it run, and I'll just drive around the parking lot a little bit so, you know, you get a sense of what it looks like moving under its own power and so forth. But yeah, you know, I can't emphasize it enough. You know, we all love our classic cars, classic trucks, but you know, a lot of them, and I'm as guilty as anyone. You know, they sit in the shop and they sit all winter long. But a truck like this, man, excellent driver. nice. I'm telling you, it's comfortable. You got plenty of room in here. Oh, also electric fuel pump. So it's got a lot of nice little things, you know, with the front disc brakes and you know, fuel pump, things like that, that make it nice for daily driving. You know, if you ever want to, you know, just drive it all the time, it's perfect. Got these little eyebrows here to kind of give you a little less wind noise. But no, it's excellent. You know, I'd love it. I think it's great. But if I can answer any further questions for you about this 1964 Chevy truck, please don't hesitate to give me a call. Again, my name is Rich Dean, and this is West Coast Collector Cars. My number is 503-851-6763, and thank you for watching today.